End result, both work. And I know my night camera don't work. So flip on the lights. Brake lights off. Both sides work. My key's in the ignition. Left turn signal. Right turn signal finally works. Left turn signal. Left turn signal works. And I have already tested this off camera. The reverse lights do work both sides. So the only thing I need to do is my license plate light. And I'm not really going to show that, but my repair worked. Changing the plug out worked. Rebuilding the harness worked. It all worked. So another successful repair on the truck.